Hello, the topic today is using plate lookup or VIN lookup to add a service order. And so with online ordering, we now offer plate lookup, and also because of being able to pull the vehicle up by the plate or the VIN, we also have an additional OEM specifications that will automatically be pulled for your vehicles. So let's go ahead and add an order. Let's go to contacts and let's pick out a customer, and we're going to add a service order, and we're going to add a new vehicle for this customer, but we're going to put in his plate number and just also add the state. And otherwise we could put in the VIN, and it's already defaulting to new vehicle. Otherwise you could pick one that the customer's already had in, and I'm going to click save. And now the system was able to go out and find that VIN and that vehicle. And let's go ahead and finish opening the order, battery check, and we'll add a job just for good measure. And now I can just jump over here to order info. I may still just need to go ahead and put in the miles in. So plate lookup works very, very well. Also, because with the online ordering system, we also have a specifications capability. It actually automatically pulls the ACES specifications table, so you can reference any of the IDs or identification codes that you need to for that particular vehicle. So the plate lookup and the VIN lookup are very powerful, make it very, very easy to add customer vehicles in there. And then by using the service orders addition through the contacts, you'll be able to track all the vehicles that you ever sell, all the vehicles that you ever service, as well as add any new vehicles very, very quickly. Thank you so much.